Hey friends, it's your girl Em. Welcome back to the channel. It is so freaking hot. It's 29 degrees. I'm wearing a black crop top and a black pair of jeans. Today I'm going to take you guys around with me. I'm just gonna do a few errands and I'm gonna organize my room a little bit. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video with me. Alright, let's go. We just got to the dollar store. I don't know if I should vlog in there. We're gonna go inside, so we're gonna switch over to some phone quality because I'm not gonna carry my camera. So I'm looking for some organizers to organize some clothes and jewelry in my room. So we are home now. I also picked up a little bubble tea. It's called Honey Lemon Aloe, and it's just a juice with some aloe pieces inside. I found out about it recently. So at the dollar store I got an organizer to store some of my clothes. I don't have a dresser or anything in my room. I store everything under my bed in storage units like this. I also got a little mint green organizer. I have a few on my shelf and they look really cute. I thought I'd get one more and just put it there so they're all lined up together. Ignore those stickers. I put them there when I was like 10 years old. I've literally been in this house my whole life. I curled my hair earlier and it's already flat and I barely did anything. Humidity, guys. So I'm gonna organize my socks and stuff, and yeah. All right, so this is how I ended up organizing my shelf. They're all organized nicely with these little baskets. I just have a candle, some books, that, and these roses I got. Ignore the mess inside. I still need to organize them finally, but I think they look just super nice and put together. I literally ordered this last night and it already came in. I just ripped off the packaging, but so I got two products. The first one is the niacinamide and the second one is the glycolic acid toner. These both are good for skin pigmentation according to a lot of reviews that I've read, according to my friend who is a dermatologist. The first product that I got is the niacinamide. So I'm gonna do 1, 2 drops maybe. So usually I'll go on with some sunscreen after applying my products. I'm like half rubbing it in and half patting it in. Let's see. Alright, and this toner, you're actually supposed to use it once a day because it's very, very strong. I'm gonna try this one later on at night. Oh, my skin looks nice today. But first of all, I wanted to show off this bottle that I got yesterday. Look how huge it is. It's 2 liters. I've always been complaining about how I don't drink enough water and it is all my fault. And like, I have no way to keep track of it. But now I have a 2-liter bottle, so I'm gonna try and drink one of these every day. But not even gonna lie, it's 12 o'clock right now and I'm about to make breakfast. I still tend to wake up very early and make my breakfast, but today I was just sitting in bed for a long time. If you guys watch my YouTube constantly, you guys will know I eat the same thing every day, so I'm just gonna skip the whole cooking process. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know what I eat every day. I have my little breakfast wrap and I just have a little plain waffle on the side. We're gonna eat. So it is 30 degrees outside. This is my outfit today. I have black leggings on, which is gonna kill me. I have my little cute boobyish top. And yeah. I hope I'm not sweaty when I do all the editing for this. But I just got an iced coffee. We're gonna go on a little drive. Fuck, let me get out my money. Yep. Yep. Thank you. Alright, we got our iced coffee. Give it a little swirl. Okay, let me put this down before I hit anyone. I don't really like coffee at all. If you guys watched my answering your assumptions about me video, someone assumed that I can't live without coffee, and that's actually false. What I can't live without is tea. I'm a tea drinker. But I got myself an iced coffee just because it's so hot. But anyways, when I do drink coffee, it's iced coffee because I love the taste of it. So when I go on a drive, I have to meet up with somebody just to get something. And I know as I say that, you guys are probably like, she's getting weed, but that's not what I'm getting. I'm gonna play my music and I'm not gonna film this driving part because I might get copyrighted. We are going to go to this park called High Park in Toronto. It's just a very nice park with a lot of green space, with a lot of nice places to do a little workout. It is June 2nd, which is crazy. I can't believe it's already the 6th month of the year. Like, this year has honestly not been the greatest worldwide. From tragic deaths of celebrities and big influencers who actually made big impacts on this world, to the coronavirus, to now like all this police brutality that has always existed but is only coming to light now because of the power we have with social media and phones and technology. There's so much important things going on in the world right now. It's just insane, but every day I pray for the best. I pray for a better day, not for myself, not just for myself, but for everybody in the world, because we need to do better. We really do. And every day I'm just like, what can I actually do to help? Before we continue going on into this vlog, I do want to let you guys know that in my description box, if you expand it, just click to expand, I do have some links where you guys can support to the Black Lives Matter movement, whether it may be donations, whether it may be signing petitions. If you guys can do whatever you can do, please do something.
Hey guys, it's MLifts here. That's it?
Did it touch you?
Yeah. Nothing. Why are you trying to...
Hey guys, so as you can see, we're at Walmart now. We're gonna go inside and get some baking ingredients because I want to make some cookies. This is definitely not recommended, but I'm gonna show you guys my goodies at the red light. I got this peanut butter half-baked dairy-free ice cream, one of my favorites from Ben & Jerry's. I think they make really good dairy-free ice cream. I got some Twizzlers. These are not for myself, these are for someone else. My chocolate chips for my chocolate chip cookies I'm gonna be making. I also got these bell peppers. They're just an assortment of sweet bell peppers that I'm gonna be putting in my Thai curry, and I like putting them in my omelets as well. So we're gonna start off with our bowl. We're gonna mix all our ingredients in here. Starting off with my empty bowl, I just have a little sifter on top. We're gonna measure 2 cups of flour, 1 and 2 cups. I only have this matcha green tea and it's really sweet and it's not strong at all. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add in this whole thing. Got our salt. I just moved my dry ingredients into a smaller bowl. We are going to now add in 1 cup of brown sugar. So half a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, so we just added 1 whole egg and just 1 egg yolk. We are adding in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup because it is a good substitute for vanilla extract, which I do not have. 1 tablespoon, perfect. So right now I'm just using the force of my hand. So I'm gonna gradually start adding in my dry ingredients, just bit by bit, and I'm gonna move it back onto the electronic mixer. So we have the dough to my liking now, and we're gonna add in our chocolate chips. So we're gonna do milk chocolate chips. The recipe calls for 1 cup, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. I personally don't like a lot of chocolate. We'll just put in this much. Just giving this 1 last fold with the chocolate chips in there, and then we're gonna form our balls. This is what my batter is looking like. Super, super yummy. Ooh. Alright, so the timer just went off. We're gonna zoom in a little bit because I'm not gonna stick my camera in there. They look so good. I'm gonna give them a good 10 minutes just to cool down. So now we are delivering 2 cookies to my best friend. I know it looks weird. Why are they on your leg? Why are they in impression paper? She lives like literally 1 minute away. So I'm gonna bring her some fresh cookies. Alright guys, we are going to end the vlog off here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my little hike, baking with me. Honestly, I don't do much in quarantine, and even outside of quarantine, I do have a better routine. You know, I'm able to go out, I'm able to go to the gym, but this week was just very chill. If you guys are new to this channel, thank you so much for watching this full video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you guys can stay tuned whenever I upload. But I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.